Good afternoon to all of my friends.
Good afternoon.
My name is Tisha. I am student of Symbiotic Educational Computer Institute. I have passed my 12th this year. I am a person who wears science, means I have many interests and hobbies. And honestly, I am not perfect at any of them. But I love it about myself because I think when we think we are perfect, we stop learning. I may not master everything, but I love exploring and creating. Even though I choose something outside my original field because I feel that's how we grow when we step beyond our limits. If you think you can live your life with only learn the things you are interested in, then you might be wrong. Because at the so important part of our life, if we met the challenges, where we need the information we are not interested in. So you can't make excuses that this is not about your interest. You should learn as much as you can and from anywhere you can. And here that's bring me to my topic today, online versus offline classes. What truly matters? Let me clear this firstly. It is not about just two methods of studying and learning. This is about something deeper. It's about you, the student. Whether you're studying in a classroom or behind a laptop screen, your growth depends on your desire to learn, adapt, and improve. So let's first understand the offline classes first. Offline classes where you study in a classroom with teachers and classmates, you build friendship and do group works and gain the real life experience from real interactions. This is best for practical subjects like science lab, sports, and art. Here, the schedules are fixed that will help you improve your discipline and your routine. But it also has some challenges. You have to travel daily, no matter the weather is. The schedules are fixed, even when you are sick, stuck, or tired. You are limited to the teachers and the physical resources. If you miss the class, it's harder to catch up. Let's now understand the online classes. Online classes where you learn from screens to internet, from your phones and laptop. Here you can learn from everywhere, your home, cafe, or in while traveling. You learn at your pace. Pause, rewind, and repeat. It is best for building extra skills like coding, video editing skills, languages. It opens the door for the global knowledge, access, and for the teachers right from your skill. But it also has real struggles. Like you are less connection. You can feel lonely and isolated. There is no gaining at real life experiences. And it is not suitable for the lock screen time because of eye strain, headaches, and health problems if you are not careful for it. But let's not forget something important. We are all familiar to the COVID-19 pandemic. At that time, online classes were only the option. We had no choice. We had to adapt. The student had to learn even while the internet issues and devices made it difficult. Because that time, that was not necessary to not have the smartphones. Not only the teachers, but not only the students, but teachers also had to learn. Many of them for the first time. They have to learn live classes, apps, understand the video calls. Even when they didn't grow up using this technology, it's hard for everyone. But we still learn, and that's the real lesson. So which is the better? The truth is neither is perfect. Both have their strength and weakness. Offline gives you structure, discipline, and the routine, but where online gives you flexibility, global access, and skill building. So, and that's why many schools today use blended learning, a healthy mix of both. Because at the end, be ready to learn in any situation from any method, and by taking care of self-growth. But let's not forget, learning is not just a textbook or exams. It is about the creativity, communication, skills, and confidence. So be proud of every step you take, every mistake you make, and every new thing you try. Because a perfect person is not who think is perfect. The person who is always eager to learn everything new. The world is changing, the technology will change, the method will change. So if you're ready to adapt, learn, and grow in every situation, you'll always rise. Thank you so much for listening.